This is the NUWATT 3-inch LED gimbal or adjustable eyeball LED recessed downlight. It features a compact design with a 360-degree adjustable lens that allows you to control the direction of the light. It also comes in circular trim and multiple colors such as black, white, nickel, and bronze. The canless nature of this light makes for a quick and easy installation process. You simply attach the wires inside the junction box and snap it into the ceiling, with no additional fixtures required. It also has a built-in 5 CCT switch to adjust the Kelvin temperature of the light, giving you the flexibility to match the color of your NUWATT lights with the rest of the lighting in your space. NUWATT makes lights that are built to last, and this particular unit has a high-grade aluminum frame. No matter where you decide to install it, you can be sure that it's a commercial quality fit for any job. You can find this light on our website and at most major retailers.